How's it going, everybody? Hey, just wanted to show y'all how to do a quick diagnostic on a no start. This happens to be a Toro Timecutter. So first what we're going to do is we're going to check and we're going to make sure that this engine has oil. So we're going to pull the dipstick. Alright, so it does in fact have oil. Wipe it off. Pull it back out. It is low, but it does have oil on stick, so we'll keep that in consideration. Check the air filter. Air filter looks like it has been replaced. Alright. Now we know we got some oil on stick. Air filter somewhat clean. We're going to just make sure that we can confirm that the customer's complaint is a crank no start. Alright, you hear that clicking noise. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test the battery. We've got the battery tester right here. This battery is 350 cold cranking amps. Alright, battery tested bad. So what we'll do is we'll put another battery on this thing and we'll test it and see what it does. Alright, we got the new battery installed. Let's see what she'll do now. That mower starts.